Hello and welcome to the channel, and today I've got for you, I'm going to do a mixed haul. I've got a few bits from different places. I've just come back from sunny Sorrento, been on a family holiday. I didn't do a vlog this time because I've done one previously, so we didn't do an awful lot different. But I did buy a few items whilst I was there. They have this shop called, I think it's pronounced Tizenis, and it's a very similar mixture of Primark and H&M, and they sell mainly underwear and casual wear. So I bought some PJs and a couple of bits, so I'm just going to show you those. So first of all, I bought this lovely vest top. This was €5.99, so nearly €6. It's slightly ribbed, lovely colour. I really like this peachy colour, peachy pink. I think it suits me, suits my sort of hair and blue eyes. And I had this out of the kids section, aged 12 to 13. So I know I've had similar to this from Primark previously, but I've not got anything ribbed. So I don't know, I just like the look of that. Then I got some pyjamas. I got these lovely little pyjama shorts. They had these, they had another set, which I wish I'd bought actually, because they were sort of a cream colour with melons and sunglasses and bits on. But anyway, I only got one pair. So these are a similar pink to that top I've just shown you. They say Sweet Dreams, and these are 100% cotton. Got them in a size small, and these were in euros, €7.99. Love the little scalloped hem on those. I think they're really cute. So they are a corally colour with white hearts. And then to go with those in the pyjama section was this lovely little vest top. I actually had a couple of these last year. I'll pop a picture of me wearing one now. You can wear them as normal vest tops. I bought that reddy colour, as you'll see, and a white one, and they're really nice actually. I have to say they are nicer quality than the ones from Primark. They wash better and they feel a bit nicer cotton wise. And this again is cotton, again in a small. So price wise, this was one for €5.99 or two for €9.99. So I bought two. I shall show the other in a minute. So that's just the pink that matches really nicely with the shorts. And the other style I bought, ooh, there's a lot of spots going on, was this black and white spotty. Absolutely love this. I may wear this with a pair of black shorts for bed, or I might keep this for the summer actually, because I quite like it. So yeah, I got the two of them for €9.99. And then I also got this. I ended up paying €5.99 for this one. So this is just white and navy spots, opposite to what I'm wearing. But I think I'll keep that one for bed. And then I got a couple of bits when I got back off holiday. I went to Aldi. I did a proper shop, but I won't show you all of that. But I just thought I'd show you a couple of bits that I've not bought from there before, or some recommendations. This I've spoken about recently. It's my new favourite hand cream, 59p. It is the Lacura Nourishing Hand Cream with shea butter for dry skin. Absolutely love that. I put that on my feet as well. Definitely recommend that if you're looking for a nice nourishing hand cream. And then I saw this. I've never seen this before. It's a new Domestos Power Foam. So it's Domestos Power Foam Citrus Blast. For the toilet and bathroom, kills germs in the hardest to reach places, and it sprays upside down. So I thought this would be rather splendid for the toilet. You know, when you want to, I know you can get toilet cleaner that you put in, but sometimes I do like a foamy one, and I'm a sucker for something new. So I thought I'd buy that. That was €1.99 in Aldi. Not seen it anywhere else. Let me know in the comments if you've seen this maybe in Home Bargains or somewhere, if it's any cheaper. If I've used it by the time I edit the video, I'll pop a little comment in to let you know if it's any good. Yeah, €1.99 Domestos Power Foam. Right, let's give it a go. Right, let's see if we can use it upside down like it says. Oh, yeah. Oh, nice smell. I love that. You can get that right under the brim of the toilet. Perfect. Yeah, it's a really nice thick foam, so hopefully that is going to clean the loo very well. Look how much that's foamed up from that little bit. And finally, I bought some disposable razor blades. I always use, or I've used for years and years, the Gillette Venus razor blades. And when I went on holiday, I borrowed one of my mum's, because I didn't take any, disposable razor, and it cut really close. It gave me a really close shave, not on the face, on my legs. And I thought, do you know what? I'm going to try some disposable razors because they're so much cheaper. The Venus ones now, about £15 for 4 or 5 refills. So I went for these from Aldi. So they're, again, liqueur, right? You get 4 disposable razors. They were £1.49. And each razor blade, let me get it out and show you. So that's what it looks like without the cap on. Each razor blade has got 3 razors in and then a top and bottom. They're like the gel or protector, aren't they? They're dermatologically tested, anti-clog, lubrication strip, that's what those bits are for, and a lightweight handle. So yeah, thought they were rather nice, pink and grey. Different day, different part to the haul. So I've got a couple of bits from Temu to share with you. You know I love Temu. I just ordered something else actually, but it's not arrived in time for this haul, so I just thought I'd pop this on now. So to start with, I saw these, thought these were quite snazzy. Not even in English. So these are like disposable dishcloths, I suppose. So they're thicker than kitchen towel, but not as thick as a dishcloth, if you get what I mean. And you use them and then throw them away. And I think I will love those for in the kitchen. I've got an obsession with using kitchen towel, and it works out quite expensive because I always buy pretty decent kitchen towel, and so I'm hoping this might be a little bit tougher. Yeah, so I'll get a bit more use out of it. And it's got little flamingos on it. It was only about £1. These popped up on my feed as well, and I don't even know why I bought them, but I just thought they'd be really handy to have in the cupboard. They're disposable towels. That would be excellent for camping, or if you're going away, I don't know, somewhere where you want to take a towel in case, I don't know, maybe you could even take those on holiday. But definitely camping if you've got showers, or maybe even to the swimming pool. Not sure if I'll ever use them, but how many have I got? 1, 2, 3. And they were £2.99, so £1 each, which I suppose is a little bit extravagant, but I just liked how small they are. In fact, we're going, I'm going with my mum and dad and Dre, staying in a caravan in a few weeks. So I'm going to pop one of those in my bag, just in case there's, or it might take 2, because we're only going for a couple of nights, just in case there's no towels that come with the caravan. I use razor blades, of course. This is like a Venus dupe. You know the Gillette Venus? I've always used those, and they're really expensive. They're really good, but I think they are a bit expensive for what they are. So I thought I'm going to try the Temu dupe. So in here you get the handle, and then you get a number of the heads. I think there's 8 in that pack, and they were only something like £2.69. So what you do, in fact I'll show you. So you just get the head and you clip it onto the handle. I think that's the wrong way. Try it the other way around, Belinda. Ah, that's it. Yeah, cool, I'm impressed with those. Just like the Venus ones. The bar that you get over the top on the Venus ones is a bit thicker. It's like the, it's a moisturising or conditioning sort of bar, isn't it? But, oh, Gandhi's found the bag. Gandalf the cat is here. Little Willow's not here today. We've just had a spay. She got spayed on Thursday, so she's recovering downstairs with Alan at the moment. But yeah, I thought for £2.69 they were an absolute bargain, because you can use those a couple of times. And finally from Temu, a pack of these. I think I got either 100 pieces in here. Really, really like these. So they are, I got something similar on my last haul, and they were a bit prettier. They had loads of different colours. I don't know if you remember those, but they are disposable wipes or face cloths. Wait, off you get. Great to take travelling with you because they're so small, they're very compact. I think you can get them not in packs. That's my only gripe about these. You've got all wasted packaging. So they're just like that, and then you dampen them, and then they open out into a cloth, which is probably a similar size to that. Not as tough as that, but absolutely great for getting your makeup off. I've even used them to do a bit of cleaning with, but they are supposed to be for your face. I had a bit of dust in the bathroom, and I thought, I'm going to just have a go and wipe the floor with it, and it worked very well. So yeah, they were really good. You can get these on really good offers. Keep your eye out if you're interested in buying some. Wait until you see one on an offer, because they can be quite expensive. And then they have them different pack sizes. I think there's 50, 100, and I think there's a 300. I've got some more coming actually. But I think I paid £1.99 for 100, so that's not bad at all, is it? So that's the end of that mixed haul. Just a few different bits from a few different shops. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please do consider subscribing if you're not already. Got a cat vlog coming up soon, or it might be on the channel already. Part 2 of our kittens. Drop me a comment down below. Give me a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. And I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.